How to fix favorites disappearing in Finder. So I am going to open up Finder, and here you can see favorites are not really there. What could be the reason? Well, one very simple reason could be that it has just collapsed, because favorites generally won't disappear until it's a software bug, which is just a software defect. So you just have to hover your cursor to the favorite section, and here you can see you have an arrow over here. So click on that arrow, and here you can see favorites have now appeared. If it still doesn't work, try restarting the Mac. The second case is that favorites as a section is not at all available. If there is favorites lettering over there, it's just collapsed. But if it's not there at all, it could be a very simple fix, which is going to the Finder settings. To do that, you can just go to Finder, and here you can see we have settings, which can also be accessed by pressing Command plus comma. Open it, and here you can see we have multiple tabs. We want to go to the Sidebar tab. Click on Sidebar, and here you can see under favorites nothing is selected, and that is another reason why you are not able to see a favorite section in your Finder. So I can select whatever sections I want from favorites. So it could be my applications folder, desktop, documents, downloads, music if I want, pictures, movies, or any ones that you want. So now that I have selected them, they also appear on the left side immediately. And if I want to add a folder, I can also drag and drop it. And that is about it, and that is how easy it is. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.